Hi, I'm Lin Sang.
And I'm Dan Berg. And the first thing you need to know about Istio is that it's an open source service mesh project created and co-founded by IBM and Google.
Istio is really a microservice framework to allow user to secure, control, and observe microservices. The second thing you should know about Istio is Istio really helps you to decouple the complexity of your services into the sidecar proxy.
And we're seeing a lot of customers adopt Istio as an example to secure communication between their microservices without having to build that logic directly into their application. And the third thing you should know about Istio is that it's easy to adopt. You can do it in an incremental fashion, so you don't have to adopt all of the great features of Istio all at once.
For example, you could adopt the Istio Ingress Gateway first. And some of the example we give in the book is you could adopt Istio just for telemetry purposes to be able to observe your microservices, or just adopt Istio for secure your microservice communication, or just do traffic control. So you do have a lot of options.
If you want to learn more about Istio and Service Mesh, Lynn and I wrote a book called Istio Explained. You can click on the link down below. It's a very simple, short read. You can do it on a plane, and it will give you more information. And if you have even more questions, reach out to us on Twitter.